Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, understand that lifting your vehicle can significantly improve its off-road performance and allow for larger tires. You'll need to decide which type of lift best suits your driving style and goals. This decision impacts everything from installation complexity to the overall feel of your ride. Let's explore the options. There are two main types of lift kits: suspension and body lifts. Suspension lifts involve replacing components like springs and shocks, directly increasing your ground clearance. Body lifts, on the other hand, raise the vehicle's body from its frame, often by 1 to 3 inches, without altering suspension geometry. Leveling kits are also popular, typically adding 1.5 to 2.5 inches to the front to even out the stance. When it comes to installation, professional help is often recommended to ensure everything is done safely and correctly. It's crucial to verify that the lift kit you choose is fully compatible with your specific Grand Cherokee model and year. Depending on the lift height, you might also need additional components such as new shocks, longer brake lines, or extended sway bar links to maintain proper function and safety. After your lift kit is installed, a professional wheel alignment is absolutely essential to ensure proper handling and tire wear. Make sure to regularly inspect all your suspension components for any signs of wear or damage, especially after off-road excursions. Remember, a lifted vehicle has a higher center of gravity, so adjust your driving style accordingly, particularly when cornering or braking, to maintain safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.